Hey YouTubers, I'm Jacob and this is a how-to video for setting up lithium battery warmers on your camper, truck, or RV. Lithium batteries need to be heated. Unless they have a built-in heater, they'll shut off at freezing. I'm putting in 2 tank heaters and they have an integrated thermostat to turn on at 37 degrees. And I built an insulated pocket here out of Reflectix to help keep them warm. I've included links to all these products and tools I'm using today in the description below, so make sure to click on those and check them out. Also, I'm posting weekly videos, so don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content. All right, let's get into it.
It'll be about 32 inches long, 32 by 10. I'm gonna cut that Reflectix out to 32 by 10. So looking like 28 inches long, 8 inches wide. Alright, so what I think I'm going to do is take the batteries out and see if I can put these underneath. I almost feel like that would be the best because like heat rises, you know, so should keep the cells heated. But I want to see how it fits on the actual heating element because I think I could trim this down if I need to. Just don't want to get too close to where the heating element is. So we'll have room for the straps. Alright, so I just pressed down on the outside of the coil to see where they are, and I'm going to trim probably like this close. Trim all this off, this end of the pad. I might even trim a little bit off this side too, because I think if the batteries can sit on this, it would be best to make sure all of the cells get warm and it warms it from the bottom up. So these only came with the ground wire and about 6 feet of cable because these are really tank heaters. I really don't need all this cable, but at the same time I don't want to just cut this off and then have to put in like another connection. So I'm just going to go ahead and add another connection on this side, and then I'll go ahead and shrink wrap it and we'll be ready to add it to the bus bar.
Make sure the inline thermostat is outside of the insulated pocket to allow the heater to kick on before the battery temp drops below freezing.
I'm just going to coil them up behind here and connect them.
Before I hook these batteries up, I'm going to measure for the insulation. Okay, now I'm hooking these batteries up in parallel. Okay, now let's go check the voltage inside. Thermostat down there. So it is exposed into the box around to the back side, and this one right down there. All right, we're at 14 volts. I'm gonna turn my solar on and we'll see it jump. All right, it is now starting to charge. Nice. Thanks for watching this how-to video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash on that like button and drop a comment below on your favorite part in this video. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel because I'm posting weekly videos for you guys. Thanks for watching.